Hi Libra, it's Lulu, and today I'm going to do your spiritual conversation. Thank you so much for joining me here today on House Radio. I really appreciate it. Now then, I've already pulled cards. I did start your reading and it kept logging out. So let's try this again. The first card that you have is the transformation card. Many of you may have been through a space where you have picked up new gifts or you are realizing how to use these new gifts, but overall, I feel as though there's a lot of things being presented to you that has to do with this new leg of the race, this new way of doing things, being, producing, providing here, and it's going to be a success. I also see here with this transformation card that you are being illuminated here. Nine of Swords, and you may have had some sleepless nights, anxiety, overthinking, some type of worry when it comes to some communications that you got that taught, and you were taught how to balance out your emotions, balance out your mind, body, and your spirit, balance out the way that you do things. Who do you do things with? Here, something really bothered you, and you are realizing that in order for you to get over this situation or make it through this situation, you're going to have to take your time. Be strategic and methodical about how you move forward, when you move forward, and with who you move forward with here. Because I also get with this Nine of Swords that there is something that you really care about that may have been criticized. There may be something that you really care about, have been working on, that it's been kind of daunting because you hadn't been able to be in your Empress energy. Ace of Swords, clarity is coming through. Some of you may even receive information about someone being pregnant that you would not expect to get pregnant. You have a decision to make when it comes to the world, your worldview, expansive, a decision that is expansive, a decision that has to do with changing course, a decision that has to do with your family unit. What is this? Two of Swords again. There may be things may not be moving quickly at this time because of this transformative period. You have to open your heart at this time, and that's what they're showing you, a different way of what may be a minor block. Accepting the reality of your problems is important here, because you may have gone back and forth with yourself a lot, gone back and forth with yourself with practical things as well as emotional things, or your emotional connection to things, and really letting something go or letting someone go. Using your discernment, documenting different things, receiving documents as well. That may bring balance to your life, but there may be some uneasy feelings about something, and you have to come to a space of standstill, because you may receive something that you thought you really wanted, and you realize it may not be what you wanted, or it may not have been what you wanted, and that was part of your transformation. You may have been manifesting or wishing and hoping for something and realize that that is not what you want. Two of Cups. It may have to do with a relationship, your home, living with someone, bringing someone in your home. Someone may have broken your heart that is closely connected to your foundation. But there's some type of clarity that is coming through that is allowing you to see that anything is possible. Clarity coming through that allows you to know that this is a good time and a new beginning for a new project, a new conversation. You standing in your power. Queen of Wands and the the Nine of Pentacles. Being courageous, confident, and striving for your independence. They want you to be careful who you listen to when it comes to money, who you give money to. Be careful if you're a teacher, counselor, therapist. Be mindful of the people who are your clients. The Knight of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Take your time. You will be successful. Take your time. Stick to what you know. Add where you need to. Add in things as you need to. Keep your word here is very important. Sticking to your plans and keeping your word when it comes to your plans, projects, to-do lists. something that you are working on that you may have turned, something you need to work on that you turned your back on, something you need to work on that may cause you some type of anxiety, worry, stress, fear, because you don't know if you're strong enough to make it through this. But just find that inner child energy here. There's a emperor or someone that you were dealing with or have dealt with that may have lied, or you had to take them to court. Somebody is going to court and they are going to win for some type of deception. This has been going on since your childhood. You're realizing something was an illusion very early on. The Magician and the Knight of Swords. This is clarity coming through your ability to be resourceful. I feel as though you are taking a lot of risk, or you're taking calculated risk when it comes to your family. Um, the angels, ancestors of the highest order, are stepping in as well, because you have something to do here. And with this Four of Cups and this Page of Swords, throughout your transformation and this rebirth that you are going through, you're seeing why something had to end. You're seeing why you had to put an end or a stop to something. Tell you it was just my imagination running away. All right, so the next card you have is the Creator and the Morality card. You're gonna this is when you're going to be very poised, very direct. Stay out of conflict. Your morality may be in question. People may be trying to question your morality. It's okay. All you have to do is stand on your 10. Stand on your 10. 7 of Wands. You already accomplished. You already went through the battle. The war is never over, but now you need to know what you need to work on and continue to work on it. Something else is being presented to you that you're going to have to communicate with a number of people about. You may be talking to a lawyer. There may be something with your health, or talking to a doctor, taking into account differences of opinion. Some of you have to fight for a car, transportation, fight for something. There's a lot of insight here about someone. You're seeing someone differently. Someone may have told you, been gossiping about someone, and you realize that they were actually the problem. They were actually the person. They were actually the problem. And it's going to be revealed in the next moon. I also feel that there's a difference in perspective when it comes to how you view things and how people around you view things. Someone is offering you a present, a gift an unexpected gift. What is this Creator card? Oh, one moment. Okay, I'm back. All right. Your solar plexus is going to be popping. You're going to be creating a lot of stuff, but you got to stand on your morals. Because what I'm seeing here with this Death card and this Temperance card, something is trying to tempt you out of balance. Something is trying to take you off of your balance. Something is trying to get you to do something devious, manipulative. Something is trying to get you to act out of character. Something here is trying to destroy your legacy. And what I'm seeing here is that you're going to have to continue to move forward. Be patient and have faith. Continue to build on the relationships that you already have. You will be victorious. I also feel like there's something here. If there's a lawsuit or a settlement in a family dispute or a relationship, a marriage, it's finally going to be over. The Judgment card and the World card. Someone may be taking a trip or making a choice here to move. I don't know if they're moving their RV. Somebody is moving their RV, or they are moving their family, or deciding to take on an elder. This may be a female elder that needs help or assistance. There may be someone who tried to hold a grudge against you, but what I'm seeing with this Three of Wands is that it's careful planning and knowing that things will come when they need to or are supposed to. This may be a new business endeavor, a new idea, something that you've been waiting on, waiting to hear from someone. It's coming. Page of Wands and the Fool card. Continue to be a free spirit. Do not allow yourself to be bogged down by this world. Clarify this Three of Wands, please. Clarify this Three of Wands. Five of Wands. Conflict and confusion. I told y'all. Now, y'all know Libra. I be trying not to go in there because Libra stay getting hate on for whatever reason. Someone may be jealous or in conflict about your relationship. Someone is jealous about what you are receiving. Someone is jealous about you being a creator. Some competition, fights, chaos. Just be cautious. Because with your why you got your back turned, people are plotting behind you. But I feel like you're still going to be progressive. You're still going to be a success. You're still going to move forward. What is this Five of Wands? Spying, Page of Swords. Somebody trying to start some petty shit. Trying to get you off balance. Trying to get you to not make the right decision. Trying to keep you and someone else apart. Trying to make someone has strong feelings for you, and so there may be a Queen of Wands or someone here that has strong feelings for them. There may be someone trying to get this person. It keep popping up. Shit. Someone is trying to get you to. They're trying to get this person to block you. They're trying to get this person not to respond to you. Two of Cups, but you win in the end. All right, so let's get some more cards. What is this? Sorrow. Sorrow for the Five of Wands. It's sorrow for these competitors. It's sorrow for these people who are trying to challenge you. It's sorrow for these people who are trying to rule over you, lord over you, claim authority over you. And this could easily be that this has to go in front of the judge. So I'm finna file some complaints myself because this got to go in front of a judge. This is going to take for you to find someone who will listen to you, find someone who will help you, find someone who sees things your way if so need be. But overall, what I'm getting here is as long as you stand on your morals and continue to create, continue to be the creator that you were born to be, whoever these people are, that Five of Wands, clarifying that sorrow card, the sorrow that they have tried to put on you, the sorrow that they have tried to cause you, they will receive. Yep, 10, somebody dying. Somebody may get hurt. Someone may, it's a 10 of Swords. While you are working, your back is turned to this shit. You working on what you need to, filing papers, documents, whatever. But it's like they're going to exhaust all of their resources. Eight of Swords, jail. Somebody may be going to jail because of all of this. You stay balanced and someone is going to jail. You stay balanced, damn, and someone is going to be in sorrow or regret. You stay balanced and someone is going, you're going to receive some type of apology. Whether you accept it or not is totally up to you. I had to get my cleansing stuff because people just like interfering with my space just 24 hours a day. It's weird. What is this Five of Wands? The Hanged Man. Someone didn't listen to the call of God. They didn't honor the Most High. They work for the kingdom of darkness, and they are being pulled into this hanged man space. Yep. They may have been trying to drive near you, come towards you. Seven of Cups. They tried to cause illusions around everything that you do. It may even be with the Sun card. They are trying to cloud others' vision of you. Yep. But the Temperance and the Sun card here, I feel like you got this. I feel like you got this. What do you have for my beautiful Libras? 10 of Wands, whoever that is, they are burdened. Whoever it is that they are working with, there's a lot of despair. There's a lot of exhaustion. There's a lot of betrayal. These people are bottoming out. You just got to continue to walk away. Get in your Queen of Cups energy. See it for what it is, but don't get in your feelings about it. Be sympathetic, but not empathetic. Stay. There go the Queen of Swords. You just sitting over here like, see, I told you, leave me the fuck alone. Because with this Queen of Swords energy, you are not in your feelings about this one bit. Because I feel like whoever this was that was trying to keep you from being in a relationship or whatever this is, they tried to break up your relationship. It may be family coming up against you for taking on another family member who you were trying to help and they didn't want you to help. What is this Queen of Swords? They were lying. Four of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Your independence is a threat. I feel as though this Four of Swords has a lot to do with your healing process, the way that you do things, the way that you just, no matter what it is that you go through, you come out on top. No matter what it is that you go through, you have a masculine energy about you. And that is why you are being gifted with some beautiful gifts from the universe, your ancestors and guides, for the work that you have done, the transformation that you allowed yourself to go through, and just become you. So many of you will move more into your water energy. So whatever your water sign is, you may want to look at that at this time. We are in Pisces season, so it may be very significant for you. It doesn't have to be Pisces, but maybe that's an energy that you are aware of.